If your auto LSD light is on or flashing, don't freak out, this is usually an easy fix. First, check the VSC or traction control button. Sometimes it gets pressed by accident. Just tap it once and see if the light goes away. If it does, that's it, problem solved. If the light is still there, turn your car off and start it again. Most Toyotas will reset auto LSD automatically after a restart. Still there? Try this: turn your steering wheel all the way left, then all the way right, and drive straight for a minute or two. This helps the system recalibrate. A weak battery can also cause this light, so take a quick look under the hood. Make sure the terminals are clean and tight, and if the battery is old, that could be the reason. While you're at it, glance around your wheels. Check for mud, dirt, or any loose wires near the sensors. You don't need to take anything apart, just a quick visual check. Another thing that can help is driving the car slowly on a flat surface. Accelerate gently and brake lightly a few times. This can reset wheel sensors and traction systems. Sometimes, a full brake pedal press helps too. Press and hold the brake for a few seconds while the car is running, then release. This can reset the system if it got stuck. If the light keeps coming back, try disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This resets the system completely. Just remember your clock or radio might reset, that's normal. Finally, if none of this works, an OBD2 scanner will tell you what's really wrong. Plug it in, clear the codes, restart the car, and see if the light stays off. Most of the time, doing just these simple steps will get your auto LSD light back to normal, and you won't need a mechanic. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe, comment your car's year, make, and model, and tell me which lights are on. I'll tell you exactly what to check next. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.